Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to change the Wi-Fi on the Feit Floodlight camera, then this video is going to show you the correct method for it. So first of all, Feit Floodlight cameras do not support direct Wi-Fi switching. That means you can't simply go to the settings and change the network. You must reset the camera and then you need to set it up again with the new Wi-Fi. For that, you need to first of all turn off the power from the wall switch or the breaker. After that, you need to turn it back on and then simply press and hold the reset button if it is available, or you can also follow the power on and off reset cycle based on your model. Now wait until the indicator light starts blinking. When it starts blinking, it simply means that the camera is in the pairing mode. Now before setting it up, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is also ready. For that, you need to use a 2.4 GHz network. The security is also set to WPA2 or mixed mode. Also keep the network name very simple. Now connect your phone to this same Wi-Fi network. After following these steps, you just have to simply open your Feit Electric application. When you open it, you will see the option of add device. So after tapping on this option, simply select your floodlight camera, then follow further on-screen instructions. You may need to scan a QR code from your phone using the camera. Just keep your phone brightness high and hold it steady. Then wait for the setup to finish. So once connected, you can check the live video, you can test the motion detection, and you can turn the light on from the application. So when all of these three things happens, it simply confirms that the new Wi-Fi is now working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.